like some regions will use ko quite a lot, right? I mean, I think if you remember when Professor Sunil Bhatt came, right? I mean, he briefly mentioned about that as well, and to the point that you know, you know, he even mentioned that, like, if you go to the northern part of India or Delhi, you know, "मैं" is I, right? As and when you add "ka" to it, it's "mera," "mere," or "meri," or "mere," right? Typically, when you add "ko" to it, it's, as I said, it's "mujhe" or "mujhko." But it's so prominent in some regions that people end up putting, "ko" on the thing which is already have a postposition, right? Which is grammatically not correct, but it's spoken so much that it's almost like a common thing. So he mentioned about this one, like if you go to northern part of India, it's almost like "mere ko." Like "mere ko," it's like grammatically it's wrong. You will say "mujhe," you will not say "mere ko," but people will say "mere ko bukhar hai," right? But yes, right. I mean, it's because it's everything is becoming sort of like an experience basically in that sense, right? If I were to translate it, but